going to make some silver water. We're going to start out with showing the power supply. This is an AC power supply. When we switch the meter over, we have 32 volts. So we have going to our connectors, have an alligator lead on each side. Have a lid with a couple of holes in it to hold our silver wire that we have right here. And we have some spring water. I'm going to take and fill our beaker. It has been cleaned. We'll take our lid, place it on top of there to keep the dust out. And we have two pieces of wire which are 4/9 pure wire. We want this most pure wire, silver wire we can get our hands on, and take a green Scotch-Brite pad which will actually remove layers of the silver off. You don't want to do it too much because you won't have much of a piece of silver wire left, but you want to do it enough to remove any of the discoloration or carbon that may be on it. Do the same thing with the other one. Make sure that they're nice and clean. Flip it over, twist it a little. And we take our two wires, push them into the holes in the top. And as you can see, it falls down. I want to keep them from touching the bottom, so we just put a quick bend in it, like this. And that will keep them separated down at the bottom. We take a voltage, apply positive and negative to each side. In this case, just both leads. There's an odd effect here. It does read 32 volts DC, if you notice. And as that sets, okay, them sort of close to each other. Can take a minute to adjust it. And you just let them sit. There we go. And you can see little small bubbles starting to come up in the jar. I'm going to leave this like this for a little bit. You can also, if you look closely, you will be able to see a little bit of milk coming down the center, in between the two, off to the one on the left hand side. It's a little stream of milk. That little stream of milk is the Ionic Silver that we were shown how to make by Bob Beck. Remember, during the whole process, try to keep the leads on the top very dry, and keep the positive and negative wires from touching each other. You just want them connected to the silver wires up on the top. I'm going to let this run for a little bit so that you can see how milky that it will start to get. Usually after about 5 to 10 minutes is more than adequate for the solution as described by Bob Beck. This will create a tyndle with a laser to show you that there is silver in the water, even though it looks very clear. Take a laser and shine it into it. you can see it yet. You can see that the tyndall is starting to create itself in the center. There we go. We can see one. Now, scientists will tell you if you don't have a tyndall, you do not have silver in your water. Well, folks, we have a tyndall. We'll check it again with the laser in a little bit, and we'll show you the strength of it. I would say that that would be enough. And there it is, finished.